Hey everyone, welcome back to Buddy Developers. Today we are diving into the setup and activation of MailPoet. Let's get started. For setup and activation, first step will be installation and activation of MailPoet. And go to home of MailPoet. Here you can see this page as we scroll down. Then we will be going on to setup. For this, here we need to create an account. We are using here dummy email and accordingly password will be set and then login. Then we need to go to our email and check. So in the email we have got the activation code. So from here we need to confirm the email. Then coming on to the plans, we have chosen the free plan. From here we can copy this code and we are giving here a dummy URL as we need to add for our website. Then we need to do if we have a list or not. Click next and then select checkbox, then click submit and review. So we can activate by using this API key. Then here is the entire installation, activation and setup guide which is provided. You can scroll down and read it. Then coming on to account on MailPoet, as you can see that they take 48 hours to review the account. After their review, we can use this application. You can also see other details like my authorized emails where the user can enter the email address. Then comes sender details where the sender domain will be added. You can also add a new domain. Then invoices where you can see billing history. Then account information where the account information is provided along with the details. Then comes credit. Credit, here we can see the credit account balance. And then comes payment details. So coming on to continue setup, we need to enter the API key over here to activate our MailPoet account. So we can get this from our email. So here you can see that we have received our key. So we will be copying it and pasting it over here. And then click on verify account. Now it's activated, so we can start using it. So you can see here that we get so many options as provided. So we can add a subscription form, welcome campaign and first newsletter. We can also create a subscription form over here. So let's start with a welcome campaign. So here we get so many templates. From these we can choose any welcome message. So as if someone has joined us, so they will receive automated email from here. Then select and then click start building. So you can see someone subscribes, they wait for a minute and then send email. That is what the entire process is. You also get here automation. So if you want, you can decline it. Here the author is Buddy. And coming on to the step settings, you can design the email from here. You can get so many templates from here for different varieties. So you can select any according to your wish. For dummy, I am selecting one from here. So this is how our template looks like. So we can edit it accordingly. So here we can add the subscriber's name or a defaulter subscriber, and whatever if you want to add, you can edit the text. And read up is a call to action button for this email, and you can also add your socials over here. So this is all. So you can edit here accordingly, then come back and then click on activate. So like this, our setup and activation are done. We also provide WordPress development services. So if you need a customized theme or additional features for your website, we can help. To hire us, go to buddydevelopers.com and click on the hire us button. We will also add the link in the description below. You can also follow us on our other platforms. If you found this video informative, then do subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon and like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.